Welcome to Tech Talks. We are still empowering you with more skills in education, business, and technology. So we are now moving on with more questions on how to solve the questions. So question 4 goes, solve the question x squared minus 2x, the whole of it squared, plus 24 equals 11 into x squared minus 2x. So can we look at our solution? Before we proceed, first observe x squared minus 2x is common because it is here and also in the other side. So let it be another letter, another unknown. You can call it P or Y or Z. It depends on what you want. Me, I will use P. Let x squared minus 2x equals P. So where you see this one, I'm just going to substitute in the value of P. So it becomes P squared plus 24 equals 11P. So can we rearrange it in the form of ax squared plus bx plus c equals 0? So we are having P squared minus 11P plus 24 equals 0. So can we look at the product? Our product is 24. What is the sum? Sum is negative 11. Look at the factors. Think of two numbers from your head. Those two numbers which you have solved of, when you multiply them, you get a positive 24. And when you happen to add, you are coming out with a negative 11. So according to my own opinion, they are negative 3 and negative 8. Negative 3 times negative 8, I'm coming out with a positive 24. When you add, I'm coming out with negative 11. So can we substitute in that? So we are getting P squared minus 3P minus 8P plus 24 equals 0. We categorize them. What is common is a P into P minus 3. What is common is negative 8 into P minus 3 equals 0. So we are having P minus 8 again into P minus 3 equals 0. So from there we say either P minus 8 equals 0, it means P equals 8. Or P minus 3 equals 0, P equals 3. After coming out with those values of P, but remember, x squared minus 2x was equal to P. So we start substituting for each value which you have got. You can say for P equals 8, substituting, we are getting x squared minus 2x equals 80. We can bring this one here. We are getting x squared minus 2x minus 8 equals 0. Still, what is the product? Our product is negative 8 and our sum is negative 2. Think of two numbers. When you multiply them, you get negative 8, and when you happen to add, you are getting a negative 2. So according to me, the factors are negative 4 and a positive 2. So we are going to substitute and we say x squared minus 4x plus 2x minus 8 equals 0. This and this, this and this. So what is common is x into x minus 4, and what is common is a plus 2 into x minus 4 equals 0. So I've got x plus 2 into x minus 4 equals 0. So what happens is you're going to say either x plus 2 equals 0, so x equals negative 2, or x minus 4 equals 0. When it goes there, automatically we get a positive 4. Again, we also say, also can try to divide so that you can get the exact values. Also, x squared minus 2x was equal to P. For P equals, we can say for P equals 3. So we are substituting again, we get x squared minus 2x equals 3. So bring in So we are getting x squared minus 2x minus 3 equals 0. Still, what is our product? Is negative 3. The sum is negative 2. Look at the factors. We have got a negative 3 and a positive 1. So we are having x squared plus x minus 3x minus 3 equals 0. So we bring these ones, what is common is x, into x plus 1, then here minus 3 into x plus 1 equals 0. So we are getting x minus 3 again into x plus 1 equals 0. Then we say either x minus 3 equals 0, it means x equals 3, or x plus 1 equals 0, x equals negative 1. So can we conclude therefore, and we conclude according to the ascending order. So we say therefore x equals negative 2, comma, x equals negative 1, comma, x equals 3, comma, x equals 4. So those are the values of x given to that solution of the question being asked.